First things first, we need to add this amazing indicator to our chart. So we'll head over to the Indicators tab and search for PP Signal ADXDI histogram. Yep, that's the one. A big shout out to the author, by the way. Now look at this beauty. It's actually 3 indicators in one. We have the ADX line, which changes color between green, gray, and orange. Then there is the directional indicator in the form of a histogram. And finally, the Bollinger Bands. When the ADX line is above the Bollinger Bands, it's a buy signal, and when it's below, it's a sell signal. The histogram helps us confirm these signals by showing the current market trend red for a downtrend and green for an uptrend. But wait, there's more. To filter out those pesky false signals, we're going to add another layer using the CCI Commodity Channel Index. When it's above 100 or below minus 100, it indicates strong pressure in that direction. So we'll use this in conjunction with our signal indicator for even more confirmation. Now let's put this strategy into action. When we have a confirmed signal from our indicator with a green histogram and ADX line being green and above Bollinger Bands for long trades, and the CCI confirms it too, being above the 100 level line, that's our green light to enter a trade. We'll set our stop loss and profit targets accordingly, keeping that risk to reward ratio in check. For short trades, simply do the opposite. When we have a confirmed signal from our indicator with a red histogram and a DX line being red and below Bollinger Bands, and the CCI confirms it too, being below the minus 100 level line, that's our green light to enter a trade. We'll set our stop loss and profit targets accordingly. And hey, while this strategy is pretty darn accurate and profitable, it's not foolproof. We've still got to watch out for those false signals. They're just part of the game. That's why proper risk management is key, folks. Speaking of which, I've got a complete guide on the whole concept of risk and money management with proper position sizing, which can be used on all trading strategies. Check out the link in the description or above here. All right, that's a wrap for today, folks. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Until next time, happy trading.